Hello friends, welcome to Ujjwal Cooking Show. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please subscribe by pushing the subscribe button below and the bell icon for further notifications. We all know Diwali is around the corner, so let's make Diwali snacks today. First one is Nippat or Thattai, or called by different names in different parts of the country. First, let's take a mixie jar. I am taking half cup of peanuts, then half of that is around 1/4 cup of puffed chana dal, 1 teaspoon of jeera, grind them coarsely. In a small kadai pan, I am taking 2 teaspoon of oil, heat it up. In the mixing bowl, let's take half cup of rice flour, half cup of fine suji, then half cup of maida or the all-purpose flour. Then put the grinded mix, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1½ teaspoon of chili powder. Give it a quick mix. Then put the hot oil and mix them well. Then mix it well by putting little bit water at a time and make it like a chapati dough. And make the small balls, fulka size balls. Now I am taking a parchment paper, apply little oil to it and go on tapping into small puri size. And now let's fry them. Let the oil be hot, but when you are frying, keep the flame to medium, so that they cook well from inside. And the tip number 2 is turn them 2 to 3 times so that they become crispier. Now after 2 minutes they are done. Let us take them out on a tissue paper. See, our nippat is ready now. Let me show you how it breaks. Wow, so crispy. Now let's do the second snack, that is Namakpara or the Shankarpale. It's also a crispy snack loved by the kids. In a mixing bowl, I am taking 1 cup of maida, and in a mixie jar, let's take 5 to 6 green chilies, some curry leaves, then goes half cup of coriander, next, let's put 1 teaspoon of jeera and grind them. Now, for the maida, we'll put the grinded paste and put 1 teaspoon of salt. Adjust the salt according to your need. Then give it a quick mix. Then by putting the hot oil, that is 2 teaspoon of hot oil, let's give it a mix. Mix them well. Now by putting little water at a time, we'll make it a dough. See, the dough is ready now. Let's make the Namakparas. Let's roll it by the rolling pin. Let's dust some maida on the countertop and roll it. Now we have rolled it. See, it's not too thin, it's a bit thick also. Otherwise, while frying, they become very dark very soon. I'm cutting it into square shaped. You can cut it into diamond shape too. Let's remove it in a plate for frying. Let the oil be hot and put the Shankarpale one by one for frying. Now when frying, keep the flame to medium to low flame and fry it. But remember to please turn it regularly, 2 to 3 times at least. Now they are done. Let's remove it in a paper towel. See, our Shankarpali. Now this is ready. Let's see how crispy it is. Just see how crispy they are. It's so yum. Yummy. Enjoy these 2 crispy snacks on this Diwali with your family and friends. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe the channel if not subscribed.